It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Still dark outside. And you can barely see. There's a piece of metal on my chicken coop roof flapping in the wind. We're supposed to have high winds until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So I hope that piece of metal doesn't come all the way off and fly across the road. I hope the wind's cut down enough I can fix it as soon as there's daylight. Here's what it looks out from this side. Oops. Yeah, so that's how dark it is outside still. But when I zoom in a little bit, my camera makes it lighter. I'm hopeful that after this cloud bank gets gone, that maybe the wind will cut back some. All night, well, sometime after midnight I woke up and it was blowing like this. So most of the night, high winds. When I took the dogs out, I was glad to see my chicken coop is still standing. But I'm pretty worried about that flapping in the wind. Okay, I couldn't stand the thought of that flapping mouse and flapping over across the road. So I put a rock and a piece of firewood up there for now. Hopefully that holds it down until later.